Top 3 best international travel apps. Traveling internationally can be thrilling, but also juggling flights, local transport, language barriers, and money. The right app can smooth things out, help you stay connected, and make the trip more about experiences than logistics. So we're looking at the top 3 best international travel apps, what each one handles well, what to watch for, and is best 3. Éralo. At number 3 is Éralo, an app that helps you stay connected abroad by letting you buy local or global eSIM data plans. Instead of hunting for a physical SIM at the airport, you can install data on your phone for dozens of countries through this app. Advantages: you can simplify your internet access overseas, avoid expensive roaming charges, and be connected from the moment you land. Many travelers recommend it as part of their essential travel toolkit. Disadvantages: it covers data only, usually no local phone number or full calling plan. If your trip involves heavy calls or texting local phones, you might still need a local SIM or another workaround. Ideal user: a traveler who wants reliable mobile data over size, values being online for maps, communication and bookings, and prefers preparing ahead instead of scrambling on arrival. 2. Skyscanner. In the number 2 spot is Skyscanner, a powerful travel search app for flights, hotels, and car hire worldwide. It excels at finding good deals across many providers and gives you flexibility in dates and destinations. Advantages: you can scan cheapest month, anywhere destinations, and set price alerts so you don't miss deals. This helps when you travel internationally and want to optimize cost. Disadvantages: even with low fares, you still need to check visa requirements, baggage fees, or local transport once you land. The best deal may have hidden costs. Ideal user: someone planning international travel who is flexible on dates or destination, wants to unlock low airfare, and is comfortable doing a bit of digging for the best options. 1. Google Maps. Taking the number 1 spot is Google Maps, a must-have app for international travel.
Whether navigating new cities, finding public transit, or accessing offline maps in places with poor reception, this app delivers.
Advantages: you can download offline maps ahead of time, explore street view visuals, check transit options, discover nearby restaurants, and safe places you want to visit. When you're far from home and trying to get your bearings, this app keeps you grounded. Disadvantages: data or Wi-Fi for full functionality, and in some countries mapping features may be limited or less accurate. Ideal user: any international traveler who wants to feel comfortable navigating unfamiliar territory, avoid getting lost, and make the most of their time in new places. Final thoughts. So those are the top 3 best international travel apps. Éralo as 3 for staying connected globally via eSIM data. Skyscanner has for smart travel booking and unlocking international deals. Google Maps S for navigation, discovery, and making your smoother on the ground. Before you pick an app focus, ask yourself, what do you struggle with most connectivity, booking or getting around? Do you prefer to prepare everything ahead of time or decide on the fly? How much flexibility do you have with dates and destinations? Choose the biggest gap and add the others to create a full travel toolkit. With the right tools in your pocket, your international trip becomes less about logistics and more about exploring. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.